I'm N.M. Gomezulu, the circuit manager of Mona under Nongoma CMC, Zululand District. I've been participating in this program, AGRI, which was organized by VVOP and the Department of Education, KZN. So as a circuit manager, I've gained a lot. That we've learned that we have to break the silos between the sub-directorate of the department. We will work together with teacher development, circuit management, and also TLS, GET, specifically for foundation-based subject advisors. So we will break the working in silos. That's what we get from that program or workshop that we had. And we also learn that teachers can be continuously be developed, specifically the strategy for PLCs and also the blended learning. They have stressed that one. So we will ensure as circuit managers that the PLCs are functional basically for these early grade reading instructions, which is ukufundisa ukufunda ngolimi lwesiZulu emazingeni noma emabangeni aphansi. So we will support as circuit managers. We are grateful that the VVOP and the Department of Education also included us in these LMS courses. So now we will be able to monitor the progress, whether the educators complete these courses and also the SMTs complete the courses, because we'll be able to track, because we are now able to log in on the system for elements. So thank you very